Today, we're going to learn how to optimize your email outreach by tracking email opens and link clicks. So, what does this mean? It means you're gonna know exactly who opened your email pitch, at what time, and how many times. You can even track if they've opened attachments or clicked on links that you sent. The process that we use here is through Gmail and Docsify. There's several other platforms that you may be aware of. We're just going to show you how we do it with this one, and hopefully you could grab some takeaways. So the first thing you want to do is, of course, have a Gmail account. Once you have that Gmail account, you're going to go over to Docsify.net and you're going to make an account using your Google email or your Google business email, preferably, of course, Google business email. Once you do, your accounts are going to be linked. The next thing you're going to want to do after that is you're going to want to Google Docsify Chrome plugin, and you're going to go right into the Google Chrome plugin that you're going to need to download in order to do this exactly how we do it. So we already have it here. You're going to notice that it says on Chrome already. What you're going to do is you're going to install it. You're going to refresh. And then once you get to your email and you compose an email, you're probably going to notice some changes. You're going to notice that at the bottom where the send button is, right to the right of that, you're going to notice that there's going to be like 3 little bars and also a paperclip. You're going to notice that they're green. This indicates that Docsify is actually linked to your Gmail and that it's going to be tracking whatever you're going to be sending. So whenever you do link something on your email or on the email communication you're going to be sending out to be tracked, make sure that that link, that website or whatever you're wanting to link it to, that it's actually properly linked. You're going to do so by clicking on this icon and actually entering the web address and the text you want to display, clicking OK, and that'll link that. That'll let Docsify know, whoever clicks that link, to send you back the information on how many times they clicked and even if they open the email. You're also going to be able to track other things like document uploads. If you upload a, let's say, PDF or a picture or anything like that, you're going to click this button. You're going to attach the tracking files only from that button. It's going to go ahead and open your Finder, and it's going to allow you to find your file, find the document that you want to send, and you're going to send it. Right? So you send the message out to your recipient, you make sure you have your subject line, you have your pitch, whatever you want to talk to them about. Make sure that you put a website as a reference or anything else that you want to do or send them to so they understand what you're saying. Make sure that's linked. Make sure that your PDF or whatever you uploaded is linked, and then make sure that you go ahead and send it. Once it's sent and a few days have passed or some time has passed that you feel is prudent enough for you to maybe do a follow-up or go back and check on the data of what's happened so far, you could go ahead and log into the Docsify interface. You're going to also be alerted when somebody opens your email, when somebody clicks on a link on your email, when somebody downloads a document from your email. You're automatically going to be notified that that happened, so you're going to know. But you're also going to be able to go into the interface, into the platform itself, and check out everything that's happening so you could see the open rates, the click-through rates, how many times the products have been downloaded, and all of that data that's going to be key for you to find out who's actually interested in your product, who actually wants to work with you, with your product, with your service, with whatever you're trying to sell. You're going to see who has the highest interest by how many eyes were on it, or how many people clicked on it, or how many times they clicked on it. This tool is going to give you and your team a lot more leverage, a lot more data, and a lot more power in your communications process, in your outbound communications process, in your sales, in your company operations in general. Make sure that you guys implement this. If you have any questions, ask them in the video, ask them in the comments, and we'll be happy to help.